Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled egg pasta salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 hard-boiled eggs and 12 ounces of your preferred pasta, like elbow macaroni or shells. For the creamy dressing, prepare 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Don't forget a dash of salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of paprika for that classic deviled egg flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling your 12 ounces of pasta until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. While the pasta cools, carefully peel your 8 hard-boiled eggs. Chop the egg whites into small, bite-sized pieces. Set aside a few yolks to mash into the dressing, which will give it that signature deviled egg richness and color. Next, it's time to create that irresistible deviled egg dressing. In a medium bowl, mash the reserved egg yolks until smooth. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix everything together thoroughly until well combined and creamy. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then add a final sprinkle of paprika for color and a hint of smoky flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently fold the cooled pasta and chopped egg whites into your creamy deviled egg dressing. Mix until everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Garnish with extra paprika or fresh chives, then serve and enjoy your delicious deviled egg pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.